Welcome to Costa Rica. My name is Johnny from Johnny Knows Costa Rica. You know what? I usually talk about healthcare, but today I'm going to do something a little bit different. A lot of times in Costa Rica, you're going to find these outlets. Oh, this is the owner. Now, and right here in these outlets, they're kind of cool. You know why? Because in Costa Rica, you have outlets kind of like, this is the Costa Rican Ross, the TJ Maxx, the Amazon returns, they come here. So we're back. David, this is a mom and son store, right?
Yeah.
You know what? What's beautiful about having a mom and son store, this outlet, it is so cool. Here in San Carlos in Costa Rica, those of you thinking about coming to Costa Rica, you're gonna see a lot of outlets. And one of the outlets is going to be the mom and son store. So at the mom and son store, here, Lydia, because she's been doing it for a long time, right?
All the life.
Her whole life.
Yeah.
Her whole life. She's got experience, but she's now passing it down to her son. But look at all this stuff here. Now, these are the returns that some people in the U.S. return in Amazon. And you know what? This is how you do it. Now, when you do all this, it looks like you have a big variation. Muchas cosas.
Yeah. In your start in this business, my mom is just starting with a little merchandise.
She started with a little bit.
Yeah.
And grew to all this.
Around we can develop
Develop, yes.
the business
Uh-huh.
around 5 years.
Also, it's taken 5 years to get to where you guys are at.
Yeah.
So, you know what? What's beautiful about having this is a home business that they have a small little outlet that I'm going to show you without the video. You're going to see they have clothes, they have soaps, they have toilet paper, they have bathing suits, they even have Minnie Mouse. Oh no, Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
There's Mickey Mouse. So you can see Disney in Costa Rica. Now, when you're having things like this,
Wait a second.
you got to see something else? Do we have something else? Why he's looking for that, you know what? What you're going to find is that you're going to buy these products at a lesser price. They're all new, lightly used. Some people may have returned them on Amazon or something. Oh, Pikachu! This Pikachu. Pokemon. Oh my gosh. You could check, you got some kids. Pikachu. What's this guy's name? Tommy. Tommy. And this is kind of a different guy here. Well, Snorlax. So you know what? If you're thinking of being here in San Carlos and you're thinking about, you know what? I want to save a little bit of money. You might think about visiting Lydia, the son and mom shop here in San Carlos. Pura vida and always be safe.